All right, so in the box, we get the SCORP gimbal, which is actually really sleek looking. And there is a lot going on here, but we'll get into all of that. It also does come with a little tripod, a mounting plate for smaller cameras, a mounting plate for shooting vertical videos, a mounting plate for bigger cameras with bigger lenses, and all of the cables that you need to be able to plug in your camera directly to the gimbal and also charge the gimbal itself. There is a quarter thread at the bottom of here so that you can put on that little tripod, but one of the cool things is that you don't need that because it does come with little fold-out legs so that you can actually stand this thing up in case you don't have a tripod at all. Super easy to unlock and lock in place. And I love these little measurement guides, so once you get it all balanced, you can actually put this little red dot on there. That way you know exactly where to put it every time. And you can see some USB-C ports so you can connect it to your camera. Also, you can connect other devices to charge and use this like a power bank. It supports cameras up to 2.5 kilograms. Now, this is my smaller camera, but when I go out on the field, I'm gonna use my bigger FX30 and my more heavier Sigma lens. And as you can see, it works perfectly with that. You get a battery life of 13 hours of continuous use, and it supports fast charging.